What's up, guys? Justin here. Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be kind of my first one, and focus on Wealth Wednesdays, which is putting out not long content. I want to keep it to like 5, 6, 7 minutes, max, but touching on the latest trends, what we're seeing in the markets, and what we can expect possibly over the next few days. And a lot is going on right now, as you guys know. But today I want to talk about cryptocurrency. So let's dive into it. All right, so I've been involved in cryptocurrency since 2017. I've had some wild rides in it. That year was insane when I just got involved because we were seeing 30, 40% gains sometimes in a day on a lot of coins. I remember, XRP, we used to call it Ripple, right? And it was pretty wild, So, but made a lot, lost a lot. 2018 got killed, obviously, in that downturn in the winter of crypto winter. But looking at it now, having definitely widened my positions over the last couple of years, knowing the expectation really was there that crypto would bounce back. And, let's talk about where we are in the last couple of months, right? This summer was to be expected on that pullback. Really, the last month we knew was going to be pretty soft, as it is traditionally across all boards, whether it's the stock market, crypto market. September usually is a pretty good pullback. So we saw that. We were all waiting to see if it would dip underneath 30,000, and it held pretty strong there. So, really from there, we see a good bounce and strong volume coming in. Now, the question is, with everything going on with regulation coming into the market, when you have, essentially, we got, people that are looking at this debt ceiling crisis, where we're going to be with that on the 18th of this month. And you have to look at, obviously, where we stand historically with crypto and Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin in general, because I do believe that is the main driver. For those of us that have been in crypto longer, we're diversified through a lot of different altcoins. However, traditionally, Bitcoin's the driver. You have a lot of institutional capital came into Bitcoin and Ethereum over the last year or two. But you'll see that, take a look at this. I mean, even if you take a look at the weekly RSI, relative strength in this on Bitcoin, you have a good ways to go because of that turn right there. So you saw that divergence, heading in a positive position, and you really see a lot of room to run. And I do think that we will see $100,000 Bitcoin by around the end of this year if this rally continues. And it does look like it's going to be a strong rally based on the volume I'm seeing come in. We don't know if this is money that's exiting the traditional stock market, coming in here with institutional money, pouring into Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's just, interesting that the altcoins aren't really moving right now, but that's somewhat to be expected when Bitcoin rallies hard. Altcoins kind of sit still, and then as a slight pullback happens, it needs a little breather for a couple of days, altcoins will rally. So I expect that over the next maybe week as altcoin rallies to happen. So keeping an eye on every single day, guys. This is what I do. Traditionally, I'm a real estate investor, and I made a lot of my wealth and my residual income through real estate over the last 10 years, but really diversified into crypto a couple years back, and love to follow that on a day-to-day basis, including just the markets in general. So a lot to look forward to with where we are with the debt ceiling crisis, where we are with the market keep the pullback in the stocks, crypto on a rally here. How could we see this end? I'm not sure. Some people are projecting pretty crazy numbers in the $150,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin, by the beginning of next year. But that's to be seen. I mean, I do think that we're going to see a strong rally based on the numbers that I'm seeing in historical data. I don't think that $100,000 Bitcoin is out of reach at all in the next 90 days. When this thing rallies, it rallies pretty hard, and that's kind of what happens. It just surprises you, and then before you know it, Bitcoin's up 20, 30% and continues to grow from there, as you got a lot of FOMO happening at that point. But the goal is always to get in early. You don't want to be a top buyer, so that's the key. That's the key, right? So keep an eye on that, guys. Come back every single week for new data on what's going on in crypto markets, traditional markets, and just financial news in general. I like to give just summarized versions of what's happening on a day-to-day basis in the economy, how everything's affecting that, what we can expect, obviously, over the next coming days. And I want to keep you guys informed. So hit subscribe, hit like, and go ahead and share this if you feel free to obviously drop comments below if you have any questions on cryptocurrencies, where you stand on it, what you think is going to be happening over the next coming months in Q4. And I look forward to chatting with you. All right, guys. Until next time. See you.